Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I'm starting another series of my small presentations related to sayings of Imam Ali. And what I would be doing is basically presenting you by reciting sayings of Imam Ali. I would select few of those in each video, and then I would try my best to explain them according to my own knowledge and understanding of those quotations. I'm a student. I'm not a alim or a cleric or anything like that. I'm just a student, and I would like to discuss these um, words of wisdom with with everyone in this world, because these words of wisdom are one of the most amazing piece of literature, amazing piece of wisdom we have ever found in any important document in this world. So let's start with the one quotation of, or the saying of Imam Ali. He says, "Avarice is disgrace." Now, what is avarice? Avarice is basically extreme greed for something. So, avarice is disgrace, means that it would basically uh, not a good thing to have. Avarice is a bad attitude or attribute to have. We should not have extreme greed for anything. Um, Cowardice is a defect. Cowardice basically that, when you feel weak about something, and that is not a good sign in a person. You should not feel weak about yourself, or you should not feel weak. Probably not at all, because if you would be feeling weak all the time, then actually it would be hard for you to make any major decision in your life, and then you would lose everything in your life. So let's start again. Avarice is disgrace. Cowardice is a defect. Poverty often disables an intelligent man from arguing his case. Now, that is one of the very most amazing and important piece in that particular quotation. That poverty often disables an intelligent man from arguing his case. I know that personally because I've seen cases in real life. I've seen people who are more educated and talented, but they don't have wealth, and they don't have the materialistic value of money in this world. So they would actually um, be unable to present their ideas to the society. No one actually will listen to them because they are poor. They don't have money, and but the people who have more money and wealth, they would even they don't have the talent, the proper talent, the appropriate talent or education, but the world will listen to them. So that's basically a sign which Imam Ali has given to us or told us. So we should not follow that, because we should not be giving importance to wealthy people. We should be giving importance to people who are educated, who are talented, and who actually deserve to be at certain place. Now, the next part is, a poor man is a stranger in his own town. It seems that this one is probably the kind of a same idea, that a poor man, is a stranger in his own town. No one knows him, or no one probably wants to know him because he don't have any kind of money or wealth which would benefit them in any way. Misfortune and helplessness are calamities. Calamities basically disaster. So if someone is misfortune, if someone's luck is not working, and someone is there is no way that someone is able to get help, these are basically calamities, and these are calamities. We know that if I don't get help from anyone, and if I get unlucky in every situation, then basically it would be a disaster for me for the rest of my life. Next part is, patience is a kind of bravery. If a person is patient, then basically it means bravery. Not, because a lot of time people say that if you are patient, if you're not saying anything, then you are a coward. But Imam Ali is saying patience is kind of bravery. Next part, to sever attachments with the wicked world is the greatest wealth. So if we sever attachments with the wicked world, if we don't have any attachment with the world, then that is basically the greatest wealth. But unfortunately, even our Muslim brothers, and even our people who claim that they are Muslims, or they claim that they are acting accordingly, ethically, they keep paying attention to wealth and money, and that is not the real wealth. So